You hear it everywhere. Whether you're walking down a busy street or flipping through TV channels, the buzz is unmistakable. Crypto this, crypto that. It's like the world can't stop talking about it. It's changing how we think about money. Traditional banks and financial systems are being challenged by this new digital frontier. But what is it really? Many people are still scratching their heads trying to understand this complex world. Think of cryptocurrency like digital cash. It's online money. You can use it to buy things just like you would with traditional money. You can't hold it in your hand, but it has value. It's stored in digital wallets and can be transferred instantly across the globe. Just like the internet changed everything, crypto is doing the same for money. Exciting, right? It's a revolution in how we handle transactions. Lots of people are using crypto. From tech enthusiasts to everyday shoppers, it's becoming more mainstream. They're buying things with it, they're investing in it. You can too. The opportunities are vast and varied. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. With a little guidance, you can navigate this new world with confidence. Let's break it down together. We'll explore the basics, the benefits, and how you can get started. Ready to dive in? Before you jump in, let's learn some basic words and concepts that will help you navigate the world of cryptocurrency with confidence. Cryptocurrency, digital money, like Bitcoin or Ethereum. These are decentralized currencies, meaning they aren't controlled by any government or financial institution. Think of it as online cash that you can use to buy goods and services or trade for other currencies. Blockchain. A secure online ledger that tracks all crypto transactions. Wallet. Your digital wallet to store, send, and receive crypto. It's like a bank account, but for your digital money. You can have multiple wallets for different types of cryptocurrencies. Exchange. A platform where you buy and sell crypto. Think of it like a stock market for crypto. Here, you can trade your Bitcoin for Ethereum, or even for traditional money like dollars or euros. See, not so complicated. Just like learning a new game, you'll pick this up in no time. The more you practice, the more familiar these terms and processes will become. Ready to take the next step? Let's dive deeper into the exciting world of cryptocurrency and explore how you can start investing and trading today. The journey is just beginning. Time to get your hands dirty. Let's buy some crypto. First, you need a wallet. There are many options like Coinbase or Binance. Next, choose an exchange to buy your crypto. Think of it like picking a store. Coinbase and Binance are popular choices for beginners. Now choose a cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is the most famous, but there are thousands. Start small. You can buy a fraction of a coin. See, you're already trading. Section 4, Safety First, protect your crypto. Crypto is exciting, but safety is key. Treat your crypto like cash. Don't share your passwords with anyone, ever. Be careful of scams. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Always double check before you send any crypto. Remember, knowledge is power. Learn about different types of wallets. Understand how to spot scams. The more you know, the safer you'll be. Section 5, Level Up. Becoming a crypto pro. Congrats, you've taken the first steps. You've dipped your toes into the vast ocean of cryptocurrency. It's an exciting journey ahead, filled with opportunities and challenges. But don't worry, you're not alone. The crypto community is vast and welcoming. Now keep learning. The crypto world is always changing. New technologies, coins, and trends emerge almost daily. Stay updated by reading news articles, watching webinars, and following the latest developments. Knowledge is power, and in the crypto world, it's your most valuable asset. Stay curious, my friends. Join online communities, engage in discussions, ask questions, and share your experiences. Platforms like Reddit, Discord, and specialized crypto forums are great places to start. The more you interact, the more you'll learn. Follow crypto experts on social media. Twitter, YouTube, and LinkedIn are filled with knowledgeable influencers who share insights, tips, and the latest news. By following them, you'll gain a deeper understanding of market movements and strategies. The more you learn, the more confident you'll become. Attend workshops, webinars, and conferences. These events are not only educational but also great networking opportunities. You'll meet like-minded individuals and experts who can guide you on your journey. Remember, investing takes time. Don't get discouraged. The crypto market can be volatile, but patience and persistence are key. Study investment strategies, analyze market trends, and make informed decisions. Over time, you'll develop a keen sense for the market. Start small, learn as you go, and enjoy the ride. Every small trade and every bit of knowledge gained is a step forward. Embrace the learning process and celebrate your progress, no matter how small. This is the future of finance, and you're a part of it. Now go crush it. The world of cryptocurrency is vast and full of potential. With dedication and continuous learning, you'll not only become proficient but also thrive in this dynamic field. So gear up and dive in.